What's up guys, so it's Kerry with 3D Printing Technology. So for this video I'm going to be going over a beginner's gift guide or the basics of 3D printing for a beginner's level of expertise in 3D printers. So I'm going to be going briefly over what 3D printing is. Printing is probably the best beginner 3D printers on the market right now, 2019. Where you can buy filament and accessories at, slicers and design software, and that's pretty much it. So let's get started. So the first thing is going to be what 3D printing is. Obviously this is a beginner level of expertise. So it's essentially a machine that follows computer commands that directs which way to move a print head with filament coming out of it. And you have plastic being fed through the print head in the form of filament, sort of like a wire, and the computer commands are telling it which way to print the object, so it's going layer by layer. Obviously there's other types of 3D printing, but this one is the most common with filament coming through a print head, and it's going layer by layer, also known as FDM 3D printing. And so the 3D printer uses filament on a regular basis to make the different objects that you can design or print the objects with. That's really the only one other requirement it needs apart from electricity to be able to work. So the probably best budget 3D printers right now it's going to be the Ender 3, the Select Mini V2 or Select Mini E3D versions. And the new Prusa Mini 3D printer whenever it comes out. The best place to get filament will probably be Amazon, and then you have the manufacturers of the filament like Pro Pasta or Greengate 3D. They'll have their own website, or you can go through a resale website like 3dprinterpart.com. Next you have the slicer. This is when you load an object file that you want to print onto your computer or other device and translate it into the different commands for the 3D printer to read it. So the top three is going to be Simplify 3D. This one costs money. The next one's going to be Cura, and the last one's going to be the Prusa Slicer. And the last topic is going to be design software. Some people will use it and some won't, but probably the top three of those are going to be Fusion 360, 123D Design, or an AutoCAD or SolidWorks, which cost quite a bit of money. The other two are free. Here is the 3D printer slicers. You have Simplified 3D, Cura, and Prusa Slicer 2.0. These are for taking the designed object and translating it into commands for your 3D printer to print it. So that's gonna wrap up the video for this week. I know it didn't go too in depth with the different options. There's obviously more 3D printers you can buy at reasonable price, like the ANET or a Chinese 3D printer. There's different ones out there. And there's a lot more different options with the other ones as well. But if you want to see the video first, make sure you click subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.